You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Here's a live look from Alert California's Round Mountain camera over Shasta County, where it looks pretty stormy out there.
It looks stormy, and that's contributing to the fact that we have a red flag warning in effect right now in certain parts of our region. What's the latest on that, Howie?
Yeah, those are contingent upon thunderstorms, which we have them because they're outflow winds, and in these cases, 40-mile-per-hour winds. Those can stretch for miles and miles and miles. And lightning strikes outside of the wet core of the storm, those can start more fires. So because of that, we have those red flag warnings in those higher elevations of Shasta and Trinity County. Here's another Alert California live shot, our Sawmill lookout camera in Butte, and that's looking off towards the northeast. It's got to look around some of those metal pipes, but yeah, you see some of the cloud development up there. All right, Alert California Live, partly cloudy and mild for tonight. Again, we're looking at those thunderstorms. Those will start to lose some steam when the sun goes down further. Elevated fire danger, again, red flags, and really that's the reason for it at the moment because of what we have in the higher, you see the valley, nothing taking place at all, but moisture getting forced up the mountains and high pressure not as effective and strong as it was, pushing down and suppressing this upward development, which now we're getting from these storms. We had several strong storms in Trinity and Shasta County. We were seeing 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, half-inch size hail in areas up to 1.5 inches of rain per hour, where we have some locations of some spots of flooding that go until 9 flood advisories. Then you have the flood watches all along the Sierra until 9 o'clock as well. Let's zoom in a little bit, but again, if you're in these higher elevations, very active with several strong thunderstorms and really just a lot of thunderstorm and rain development in those higher elevations. All right, let's get to our overnight lows. Close to 70 for the valley. That's on the warmer side, but we're going to cool a little bit during the daytime. You get some nice relief in Chester at 54, Bernie dropping to 57 degrees. Here's a look at our valley. I'm going to declare heat wave over after today because most of the valley potentially getting held under 100 degrees. Then you climb up into the higher elevations where we were seeing 92, 95, Chester only 82, then Magalia with a high of 89. So today's our last day of our most recent heat wave before we see the next one. Here's our future cast. You're seeing pretty much the same as what the radar's indicating. Let's fast forward into Tuesday. When the sun starts to destabilize us further, you'll see some more storm development once again. Here's a look at the 7-day. So we'll cool, but a week from now, we do start to heat up as high pressure moves closer. Could be the beginning of our next heat wave, but our most recent one pretty much should be the last day at the moment today.
Thanks, Howie.